Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for a remote as well as for experience. So we'll be sharing with you the job opportunities and all the links, the email addresses would be in the first comment of the video. So you can get all the details from there. Okay. Now, before we start ahead, let me tell you about a brief about a new program that we are going to start. So share the details with you. Mhm. So we are going to start a new mentorship program that would be 1:1 program, which we will be discussing how to upgrade to Playwright plus AI automation in 50 days. And the Playwright from the scratch would be covered, plus the TypeScript, which is a programming language which is used and which is in demand in the companies, would be covered into this particular program. So if you want to enroll for this particular program, you can go to this particular link and get the details for the same. As well as we are going to have a webinar today in which I'll be telling you about how to get a QA job using Playwright plus AI. So if you're interested to register, you can register here. It is absolutely free of cost, no charges involved. So feel free to utilize this particular opportunity. Now, let me share the job opportunities with you. So first opportunity is with respect to EY company. So EY company, which is in Pune, they are having a recruitment drive date on 28th of March. Mode of interview would be in person. Experience required would be 3 to 10 years. Skill set is Selenium, BDD, Cucumber, API automation, Playwright, Tosca, Guidewire, test automation. So if you're interested, you can apply over here. Then there is an opportunity alert for QA automation engineer. Again, there is a link. SmartSense Consulting Solutions is hiring, and the location is Gandhinagar. Then there is a requirement for QA freshers and somebody who can join immediately. So if you are willing to start your career as a fresher in software testing, someone who has got strong knowledge of Java, basic understanding of Selenium, interested in automation testing, so they can apply. Location is Hyderabad, and the joining is immediate. Joiners are preferred. So if you're interested, you can send your resumes to this email address. Then First Cron is hiring for automation testers, remote job, and they are looking for somebody who has experience of 2 to 3 years. Notice period is immediate joiners, and the required skill set is Selenium, Playwright, Java, JSON, automation test script creation, test case design and execution, API testing. And the responsibilities are somebody who can develop and maintain automation test scripts, execute automated and manual test cases, identify bugs and report issues to the development team, work with Selenium, Playwright frameworks, validate API responses using JSON. So here is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there is a requirement for QA 1 to 2 years of experience, and it's a full-time job opportunity. They are looking for the candidates who have experience in smoke testing, sanity testing, managing repetitive testing tasks efficiently. So location is Jaipur, immediate joiners, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA 1 to 2 years of experience. Location is Jaipur. Again, it's a full-time job. So if you're interested, you can send your resume to this email address. They are looking for someone who can perform smoke testing, sanity testing, managing repetitive testing tasks effectively. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Then there is a requirement for API and functional testing engineer. Location is Gurgaon. Experience is 6 to 8 years. Notice period is up to 15 days. So required skill set is API, microservices testing, functional and system testing, Java, automation scripting, SQL and database testing, performance testing. So if you're interested, you can share your profile at this particular email address, or contact number is also provided to you, right? Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, and the location is Bangalore. It's an notice period is immediate joiner. So they are looking for QA automation engineer Playwright with 4 to 6 years of experience in automation and backend testing. So experience in Playwright and hands-on experience in API testing, good knowledge of SQL database testing. So strong knowledge of SQL and database testing is required here. So you can apply for this job opportunity, and here is a contact number that you can use. Apart from this, there are multiple other job opportunities as well. For example, mm, so New Vision Software is hiring, and they are hiring for multiple roles. As you can see, cloud and DevOps, Java, Microsoft, digital assurance, and that all the testing roles are there. Solutions architect using QA Playwright, lead engineer Playwright, again senior automation engineer Playwright, senior QA AI testing engineer, senior QA automation Tosca. So all of these roles are there with respect to the Playwright, starting from 3 to up to 12 years of experience, right? So this is with respect to QA, and the company name is New Vision Software. So you can connect with the referral person there with the New Vision Software. Okay. Then there is a requirement for QA tester. Notice period is immediate joiner. Location is Chennai. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Skill set required is manual and automation testing, test case design and execution, bug tracking tools, API testing, basic SQL knowledge. So all of these things is required, and you have to submit your CV to this particular email address. So if you are able to submit your CV, you would be getting the call soon because they are looking for immediate joiners itself. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. And last but not the least, don't forget to register yourself for the free webinar which is happening today at 7 p.m. IST. We share those details with you. So it is happening at 7 p.m. IST today itself, 17th of March. So if you are looking for a job change, if you're looking for a job switch, then this is a wonderful opportunity for you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more updates.